demand bottoming out, rather the issues regarding that bottoming out is something which is right now impacting the crude prices as well, as we were highlighting earlier. So let's welcome on board Peter McGuire to make sense of whether the move in crude is short-lived, or is it going to be a bit more a bit more up in the range of around $75 to $80 going forward. Peter, hi, good morning. Thank you so much for making time. We are seeing a sharp decline in the crude prices in the week gone by. Do you believe going forward at least the $75 $80 is going to be the range, or do you see it pulling back to the levels of at least $80 $85?
Well, good morning. Greetings from Dubai. I think that we've seen that pullback has been very sharp, and I think it's been quite well received from traders. As far as consumers are concerned, and that's a good sign, but producers aren't happy. We're worrying about probably the demand picture, inflation, and all of those concerns. I think the overall move will be higher from here, but it's certainly volatile, and it's creating much opportunity from trading perspectives.
So, Peter, what are you doing in Dubai?
Nakunj, I'm over here looking at the oil industry. I've been over to see gas exploration and so on, so it's very dynamic, as we know. It's the headquarters, really, and for global, I think, production. So it's just getting a little bit of a heads up, flying out today for Sydney, and I'm being short on energy, and over the last couple of days, it's been a great time to be trading it.
Expect OPEC to come out and slash production again, because that's the only way they would be able to maintain prices now.
I think you might be right, Nakunj, because I'm worried about that. If that's the case and that happens, then that's really going to create a powder keg environment not only from the producer's standpoint, but the other side will be that if that's how it moves forward, and that coming into a summer driving season, and certainly Northern European and Northern Hemisphere summer, traditionally more consumption, that's really going to create angst for consumers, and I won't be surprised if that was the strategy that may be delivered over the next month or so.
Peter, do you think that the market to some extent as well is questioning the validity of OPEC's recent production cut amid the fact that we have strong exports of Russian crude?
Yeah, I mean, that's a concern, certainly. So I think there's so many different components to this melting pot, and we understand the Russia situation. So it's hard to pinpoint where their strategy is going to be and where the overall themes are, but there's so many differing viewpoints and differing. I mean, you've only got to spend time with oil exploration or oil people, and everyone's got a different opinion of where they see oil prices in the short to medium term. So it could be that, we see a little bit further downside, and I won't be surprised to see this volatility remain.
All right. We really appreciate your time. Enjoy your stay in Dubai.
Thank you, Nakunj. Bye.